Guys, I am Shubham and now today I will teach you that how to find Ci from the trick of Si. From the formula of Si, we will solve Ci in just few seconds. Then see the trick and solve it very easily because in the competitive exams we have very less time to solve the questions. So let's see this trick and implement in the questions. Now let's see. First, the percent is 2%, and in this video I will only teach you the 2 years question, and the 3 years question will be take to you in the next video. Now let's see, because it's very easy concept to understand. The year is 2 years and the time is the rate is 2% and the time is 2 years. So first, in SI, what we do, we first 2 into 2, we multiply the rate from the time to it, so it's become the 4. But in the CI, the change will occur, very small change, like point change. So for doing that point change, what we have to do, to first 2 to the 4, then we put 4 there, and after it we have to put the decimal, and then the square of the percent. It's 2 to the 4. But we have to remember that the digits must be 2 digits, so put 10 before it. Only in 4 we have to do it, in other we not have to do it, other there are also present 2 digits. So like this, 4%, 4 to the 8, 4% and 2, 4 to the 8, so we put 8 here, and then what is the square of 4? It is 16, so point after point we put 16 there. Like this, 5, 5 to the 10, and there 10.25. Like 6, 6 to the 12, and what is the square of 6? Is 36, so after the point we put 36 there. What is the multiplication of 7 and 2? It's 14, and after it 7, the square of 7 is 49. 8 to the 16, and after the point we put 64. The square of 9 is after multiplying 2 it becomes 18, and the square of 9 is 81. Thus now let's see, it's 10, 10 to the 20. So first when we put 20 here, then we have to do first the after it, then we have to do the square of this number, then it's 100. We know that at least we have to take only 2 digits, not the 3 digits. So carry the 1 from this place and add there, so it becomes 21, and we have taken 21 here, so it is 21. Now the concept has been cleared. If not, then rewind the video and see it again. You will understand in first time. I know it. Then solve the questions. It is very easy to solve. Now see that principal is 5,000, time is 2 years, rate is 9%. Then formula, from the formula of SI we will solve the questions. What is the formula of SI? It is P into R into T by 100. From this formula we will solve it. Let's see the CI. Then first P, okay, P into, what is the, we have done that rate into time is equal to this conclusion. Rate into time is equal to this conclusion, so put it there. See, we have not to remember this will also firstly understand by you. It's not too much hard. See, it's 9 and it's 2, so it's become 18 point. What's the square of 9? It's 81. It has been put. Let's see, it is 18.81. We have not to be remember it, so solve it. P into R into T, P into R into T has been written, and then 100. P into R into T by 100. 100 has been cut. My writing is so bad, so please don't undermine it. It's 2, and then it's 2 9 ja 18, 2 4 ja 8, it's 40.5. So the CI is 9940.5. You can check it from the long process. It will write I know it. Now solve the another question. I am solving it. The another question is for you. Okay. The principal is 2000 P into R. What is the R into 2? Left side C. 6 to the 12. Point. What's the square of 6? It's 36. Then P into R into T by 100. 100 has been cut off. Then we put 100 there. 5. Okay. 5. 5 to the 10. Then 2. 25 to the 20. Then 3. 5 7 is 35.2. Then the CI is 247.2 there. Okay, then the question is solved. Now this question is for you as homework. I knew that you have understand the concept. Now please like and subscribe this channel.